Alright, we're working on the Stevens Model 94. We had a barrel that did not have an extractor in it, so we got a new extractor. I don't know if you can see this or not. Let me zoom in. You can see the extractor. The extractor sits further out than the barrel. This will never fit in there. You won't be able to close the receiver. So we've got to file this off. Smooth with the barrel. And I'll just take a file and just work that down. Usually you have to fit every single one of these to the gun because they're a little bit different depending on the gauge. This one, like I said, it sticks out a good piece further. Than the barrel face, so we're just going to take it down to we're even with the barrel face, and then we should be good to go. Alright guys, figured I would show you. We got the ejector extractor fit down flush up to where I can actually install our receiver and it'll work. Still have to go in and polish up some of this area here just to make it match up and fit a little bit better. But I do want to show you one other thing right quick while we're here. Here is an original spring and starter pin out of a different, this one's out of the 16 gauge. This is the brand new spring and starter pin we got. It's a little bit too long. So we're going to zip that off to make it fit. I'll just put it in a vise and take a cutoff wheel and just cut it straight off. Then we should be able to be into a situation where we can fit everything into this ejector, the hook. Problem I was having was when I went to set the extractor, it never would go in far enough. So these do have to be fitted to the individual shotgun barrels. We'll get to polishing and get back to it. We have the new ejector extractor fitted. We're able to close our action, and we'll take a spent 12 gauge shell. Everything locks up, and our extractor works. Now we just got to go through and refinish everything, get the stocks and fore ends for it.